Hi friends, welcome to my channel Gino's World.
Hi everybody, today I am going to show you how to make guitar. Materials required: marker, thread, glue, paintbrush, scissor, toothpick, 3 cardboards, 1 chart paper and 2 paints, 1 light color and 1 dark color. I am using dark brown and light brown. Now take the cardboard and draw the shape like a guitar and cut it. Make 2 like that and draw a circle in 1 cardboard. Cut it with the compass or the cutter. Now take the dark color paint, the dark brown, and paint only one side for both the cardboards. Now take the chart paper and draw 4 centimeter lines. Now take the light color paint, the light brown, and paint only one side. And stick everything together. Now take the cardboard and paste the glue at the corner of the cardboard and paste this chart. Now apply the glue top of the chart and paste another cardboard. Now take the another cardboard and draw like this. Cut it with the scissor. Now take the light color paint, the light brown, and paint it. Paint both the sides. Now paste it to the guitar. Now take some cardboard and draw some semicircles and cut it and paste it at the back side of the guitar like this. Now take small pieces of chart and paste it at the top of the semicircle. Now take one small piece of cardboard and draw like this. Cut it and paint it with the light brown and paste it to the guitar. Now take the compass and put 4 holes and put the glue in the hole and paste the toothpicks. Break the toothpicks into small and paste. Fold it like this and put gloves in the front of the guitar for pasting the toothpicks. Now paste the toothpicks. Now put the holes at the end of the guitar. 2 holes at the front and 2 holes at the back. Apply the glue in that holes and paste the toothpicks, small toothpicks. Now take one circle shape paper and cut the top of it and paste it to the guitar in the circle. Now take the black marker and put the dots like this at the front of the guitar. Take the cardboard and draw like this with the black marker and make 4. Stick it near the toothpicks. Now take the thread and put knot in the bottom first stick and at the top the front stick. And now put the knot in the second stick at the bottom and at the last stick at the top. Thank you.